The prank Quasi, he's gone right now. He's on the way home actually. I went to the hair store and I bought this mannequin, and I also printed out this face of a man. I don't know if that's a celebrity or not. I just picked a man face. I'm gonna wait for Quasi to get home. He's on the way right now. I'm gonna be in bed. I already made like, I put some clothes and stuff and I stuffed it to make it look like an actual body. So I'm gonna put the mannequin on the pillow and I'm gonna turn it his way for when he open the door, all he's gonna see is me on top and this face right here. I'm gonna leave the door cracked open for when he does come in so he can actually see me first on top of the mannequin. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call Quasi, see how far he is so I won't be waiting too long. I'm gonna also put a man's voice in the background while I'm on the phone with him so he can be like expecting to find somebody in the house. So yeah, let me get to that.
Hello?
Hey man, where you at?
Almost home.
You almost here?
Yeah, I'm passing up out of the lobby right now.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Wait,
What?
what's that in the background?
Huh?
What's that in the background?
Nobody. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you later.
Oh, okay, alright.
He's almost here. He's like right around the corner. So we get in position. Stop. So?
Man, what the hell's going on, bro?
Nothing.
What the hell's going on?
Nothing.
Move. Move.
No.
Move.
Why you got a knife in your
Move.
hand? No.
What the hell is y'all doing, man?
Nothing. What you worried
Bro,
about
move.
that?
Move. What? What the hell is that? Man, you play too damn much, man. Damn much.
Oh, come here. You really grabbed the knife. Come here. Come here. Doing what? You mad?
Yeah, I'm mad.
It's just clothes,
I don't
babe.
care.
Lord,
Stop
you really think I'm
playing
gonna be up in here cheating?
I guess, man, don't do that shit, please. That's not cool, man.
You have to murder somebody?
I guess, I don't know, but to scare him at least scare him. Damn, don't be doing that, man.
I got you,
What the hell you
boy.
got on that mannequin anyway?
Wait, but for real though, who is this?
I don't know.
Come here, you mad?
No, you play all day.